Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel The Flutter Studio. So in this video we will see how to reorder a list view widget. So we will achieve this by utilizing the reorderable list view widget. You can arrange the list item inside a list view in your Flutter applications. So before getting us started, let me show how your app will look like. So as you can see on our screen, we are having a list of items. You can see that our last item is owner list style. So let me move it to the first position. So we'll click on it and we will drag it to the first location. This is the power of reorderable list view. So let us get started. So a reorderable list view, it is one whose items are draggable and the user can rearrange or modify the object. So as you can see, we have created one Dart file named reorderable list screen. So as you can see over here, we are having a class named reorderable view page, which is a stateful widget. Then we are having a list of string items. Now below this, we will go inside our widget build method. Now here as you can see, we are having our app bar, its center, title and so on. Now here inside our app bar, we are having an icon button inside its action parameter, which tooltip is sort. So we will explore this button later. Now first we will go inside the body parameter of our scaffold, and over here as you can see, we have called reorderable list view widget. Now note that all the children of this list view widget must have a key, since the key is expected to distinguish the items after their position is changed in the list. So this means by which our reorderable list widget resembles. So as you can see over here, that in our reorderable list view we will add a card, and in the card we will add a key and a list style. Now inside this widget, the onReorder parameter is compulsory. It will be called when list child is moved to a new position. So as you can see on the screen, that inside this list view we are having a for loop which is looping over our items list. Okay, and this will return a card for each item of our list, and each card will be having a key, and here we will pass a value key object, and inside its parameter we will pass our item name. Okay. Now after this, each card will be having a child as a list style with some title and a leading icon, as you can see on our screen. Now after this, we are having our onReorder parameter, and here we will call our reorder data method. So let me get you to our reorder data method. So as you can see over here, this method will take two parameters. First is an old index and second is our new index position. Now over here we will call our setState method. Here we will check that whether our new index position is greater than our old index, then we will decrement our new index position by 1. And after this, what we will do, that we will remove the item. We will remove the item from our list from its old position, and we will insert that item to our new position. Okay, with our item object. Okay, so this is the syntax, that to remove an item from the given old index, it will return the item, or you can say the list style of that particular position, and then we will again insert this list style object, or you can say this item object, in the new index position. So that is all. So when you will run your app, and when you will drag any item from your list view and you will place it to some other location or position. Now after this, we have seen that in our application, then in our app bar we are having an icon of sort. So here, so when you will press on this icon button, okay, we will be calling our sorting method. So because we have used a list, so inside our sorting method we will simply set the state of our list, and we will use it widget.items.sort method. So sort is an inbuilt method for our list data types. Okay. So currently you can see that owner is on the top, and then client, and then designer and director and so on. So now if I want to sort all the list item of our list view in ascending to descending order, I'll simply click on this button and you can see that all the items have been sorted in A to Z manner. So that is all for this video. I hope you might have find this video informative, and this widget will be very useful in your Flutter applications where you require a draggable list items list view. Okay, so if you find this video informative, then please do like and share it, and till then keep practicing and keep fluttering.